The NC
Hi kids, in this video we are going to look after the questions and answers of the NCERT syllabus English class 2. The lesson name is I Want. This is Prithvi Vinod who is presenting you this video. Write the meaning for the words. Strong, powerful. Wand, a long thick stick. Vicious, want to do something. Blow, strong wind in motion. Trunk, long and flexible body part of an elephant. Monster, an imaginary ugly looking creature. Make sentences using the following words. Strong, eating healthy foods make us strong. Wand, her brother gifted her a magic wand on her birthday. Vicious, she wishes to become a doctor. Blow, the wind blows strong. Trunk, elephant has a long trunk. Monster, I looked a monster in my room last night. Put a tick or cross against the following sentences. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Is it yes or no? Yes. So put tick. A wise woman does not hear him. False. She gives him a band. Yes. The giraffe stretches his long neck. Yes. The elephant has no trunk. False. It has a trunk. The zebra has stripes. Yes. It has stripes all over its body. The little monkey sees a monster in the river. Yes. Answer the following questions. Is there anyone in the class whom you like? Yes. I like my best friend in my class. His name is Vijay. Do you want to be like him or her? Why? Yes, I want to be like him because he is very intelligent and he is the topper of our class. Do you know about the foods that each animal eats? Yes, I know the food of few animals that they eat. A giraffe eats leaves, the tiger and lion eats the flesh of other animals, the cow eats grass. What does the little monkey want to be? The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Who hears him? A wise woman hears him. How does an elephant have a bath? An elephant fills its trunk with water and blows it over himself. This is how an elephant baths. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Zebra has stripes all over its body. Why does the little monkey want to be himself again? The little monkey found himself looking like a monster. Therefore, he wants to be himself again. What would you do if you have a magic wand? I would turn it round and turn a book into a ball. I would turn a dog into a horse. I would turn a pencil into a stick. I would turn you into a monkey. Match the animal to its group. A bee, when in groups, it is called a swarm of bees. A cow, when in groups, it is called a herd of cows. A lion, when in groups, it is called pride of lions. A bird, when in group, it is called a flock of birds. Can you find the word monkey 5 times in the box? Yes. The colored boxes has the word monkey. The monkey wrote to his mother, I look awful. He made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write the sentence correctly. It should be, I look awful. I should be in capital letter and at the end of the sentence, an exclamatory mark is to be placed since this is a exclamatory sentence. Put the letters in order to make a word. To, is, he, big, his, her, can. Write about your favorite animal or bird by completing the sentence. My favorite bird is peacock. I like it because it is beautiful. I don't like it because it has a harsh voice. I think it looked like rainbow with multiple colors in it. Look at the pictures, count and write. Here is the picture. When it is one, it should be written as one giraffe. And when it is many, you have to add s at the end of the giraffe. Okay. Here it should be one elephant. When there are more elephant, it should be elephants. Three elephant. One zebra. Zebras. Four zebras. One frog. Frogs. Six frogs. For many more educational videos, subscribe our channel Kaikur. Thank you.